Hi everyone, it's Cece from Brilliant Estate Planning. Following on from the video that I made the other day, I just wanted to answer some questions that I've gotten since then and just talk about some different things. I know a lot of us are self-isolating, quarantined, social distancing, whatever it is that you're doing. And it's important that we all sort of try and stay connected in whatever way we can. And for all the possible downsides of social media, the fact that we have the internet and are able to connect with each other still, even if we have to stay indoors, is pretty amazing. So just trying to take advantage of that and just have a little chat with you guys. So I know a lot of us are quite scared. This is a really fearful time. It's quite unprecedented. Most of us, I think all of us probably, have never lived through anything like this, and so we're all just sort of navigating it together and figuring out what we can do. What I want to talk about is lasting powers of attorney. For a lot of us that can't go out, which I'm included in that. I actually have asthma, so I have to kind of stay in they're saying 12 weeks. We'll see how it goes, but I have to stay in. Can't go out, gotta get groceries delivered and things like that. A lot of us are in similar circumstances. Some of us have to stay in for even longer. When it comes to things like having to go to the doctor, having to go to the chemist and get medicine, needing maybe to have like cash out of the cash point to pay for food deliveries or whatever the situation is, we need people to help us. And the thing is actually so my husband and I are married. We have separate bank accounts. And so legally, if I wanted him to use my card for something or take cash out of the cash point for me or whatever the case may be, that's actually illegal, technically, because he's not on my account and he doesn't have power of attorney for me. So he's legally not able to do those things. And the same way, vice versa. If he wanted to give me his card to do something, then we're not able to do that. Maybe if you're in a situation where you're an older person and you're relying on neighbors, family to take care of things for you, this is also something that you want to look into. And aside from just the financial implications, there's also a health and welfare lasting power of attorney. I'll use the same sort of example. If anything happened to me and I wasn't able to make decisions for myself medically, then just because I'm married doesn't mean that my husband would have the right to make those decisions. As a matter of fact, the right to do that could be taken off of me if they didn't think that I had capacity, or maybe I was unconscious, or whatever the case was, and the local authority would actually make those choices for me and not my significant other. Now, these things are scary on their own, just sort of explaining to people the way that things work and what the situation would be if somebody found themselves in this situation and didn't have this in place. It's scary enough. But we never think it's going to happen to us. And all of a sudden, we're thrust into this unprecedented situation where we're all having to stay in for a certain amount of time. Everyone is getting sick, or we're worried about people getting sick. We go to sleep and we wake up and we have push notifications on our phone about the death toll in different countries and what everybody's doing. And it's so overwhelming and so scary. And a lot of us are afraid. But there are things that we can do to look out for ourselves, to look out for each other, and to just give ourselves some peace of mind. Lasting powers of attorney is one thing that might help you to do that you might be interested in one case or another. Maybe you've just never thought about it before and you have some questions. Please reach out to me. I'm here. I have all the social media things. You can reach me via phone, email, Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. everywhere. I'm really happy to help you, just to talk to you if you do have any questions about this or anything else. Again, I think it's just important that we support each other, that we're there for each other, that we connect with each other in whatever ways that we can, and we try to protect ourselves and our loved ones as much as possible. If this is something that you're concerned about, again, please reach out to me, and it'll be my pleasure to help you. Please stay well. Bye.